Hello and welcome to the channel, a platform where you learn new skills that will save time and boost your work productivity. If you find this video helpful, then please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to ensure you are notified whenever a new video is added. So, let's get started. ISTEXT function used to check if value is text and return true when value is text. ISTEXT being part of a group of functions called IS functions that return logical values true or false. In this case, we will check if the selected cell value is text and return true, otherwise false. Let's understand the results provided by ISTEXT function. Is function consider blank cell as non-text value, hence returning is false. Spaces are considered as text and function returned as true, and if we remove the spaces, then function result will become false. At last, this is numeric value, but function has still returned as true. Reason for this is that the data type is selected as text for numeric value. If you change the data type, function results will become false. Hopefully, now you have better understanding how to use ISTEXT function. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have not already, then please do subscribe to the channel to make sure that you don't miss any updates.